Aloha, my friends. Billy Wiggly here from the Ninth Island, Las Vegas, Nevada. How you doing today? Are you staying positive? Because you know that's the only way to be. And check it out. I just opened up Claude today. I'm going to create a job description because I'm hiring. And there's this little pop-up that appeared right over here. And by the time I started recording, it disappeared. But basically, it's letting us know about artifacts. And it added its own little section right over here on the sidebar. And that section, when we look at it, is artifacts. So click on artifacts, and you can read a little bit more about it right here. Power your artifacts with Claude API. Create apps, prototypes, and interactive documents that use Claude inside the artifact. Start by saying, let's build an AI app. So go check it out. See what it's all about. I invite you to click on the Learn More. And they've got little videos and pretty quick and simple to read explanations. Then you can just enable that feature, and it says, let's build an AI app, huh? All right, enable this feature. And there's already all of these artifacts available for your QR code generator. Wow, this is pretty cool. I mean, we've had artifacts for a while, but now they've actually introduced its own section, artifacts, right here. Let's get a new artifact. And wow, look at all these. You can create apps and websites, documents and templates, productivity tools. Woo! Start from scratch. Let's just check out apps and websites. And maybe what kind of app or website did you have in mind? Okay. Who do you imagine using it? Let's do for Excel tips and tricks. Okay. So let's go right over here and let's go ahead and tell Claude. Claude, build me an artifact as a website, web app to teach, to use as a teaching aid for my Microsoft Excel shortcuts, tips, and tricks course. Make the web app be designed like flashcards, where you ask a question like, what's the shortcut to sum? And then the user tries to answer, and then the flashcard flips and lets them know if it's correct or not. That was Windows H that I pressed, by the way, to Windows H. So it's the Windows key plus H, and that launches the Microsoft or the microphone in Windows so I can start talking to it. And then when I'm done talking, I press escape. So let's see what kind of artifact it's going to build for us. Now, I probably should have gone in here and cleaned this up just a little bit, but I'm busy talking to you. So here, Excel Shortcuts Flashcard Web App. It's got some core features, self-assessment, progress tracking. So this is just for fun that we're doing this right now. And let's just go for it. So Windows H, yes, I like it. Go for it. Escape. And enter. Let's go. Here we go. Come on. I need a different button that has a little do 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 do. And since I'm recording this, I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this. So see you in half a second. Boom! There we have it, just like that. Okay, wait. There we have it, just like that. Claude has created our Excel shortcuts flashcards web app. It's got 50 Excel shortcuts covering basic to advanced techniques. Click on the card or press space to flip and reveal the answer. Optional text input for users to type their guess before flipping. progress tracking, smart organization. And, you know, just like any prompting that we're doing, there's going to be an iteration process, right? That's when you're working with AI, sometimes that's what you do. It's iteration is very standard way of working. You let AI, you put in your first request and you continue with your chat. Look, it's even got that is the Excel color right there. That's I bet it's 1D6F42. All right, we've got the current card. What is the shortcut? Next. Let's go ahead and click next. No. Type your answer. What is the shortcut to paste clipboard content? You can click the card to reveal the answer. Control V. Nice. That's correct. Type your answer. Oh, it doesn't let me type. See, so that's something that we'd want to correct, that it doesn't let me type. Correct. Type your answer. See, it doesn't let me type the answer. Next. What is this? So what is the shortcut to select all cells in a worksheet? Control A. Boom. Whoops. Type your answer. It's not letting me type the answer, but I already knew the answer, right? Control A. Let's go ahead and tell Claude right here, just for fun. Windows H to launch the microphone. I'm not able to type the answer. The field is available for me to type. However, when I click into the field, it doesn't type, or it flips the card. Escape. When I click into the field, it flips the card. But wait, maybe that's what it's supposed to do. Let me get back out of here. And let's go to the next one. Okay. So what if I want to type? What is the shortcut to make text bold? Control B. Oh, I still got to click. Yeah, it doesn't let me. So this is iteration right here, going back and forth. I'm not able to type the answer in the field. It's available for me to type. However, when I click into the field, it flips the card. And so now it's going to fix it. So I'm going to fast forward this. See you on the other side. Wow, that was quick. Fix the issue. Now you can click into the input field. All right. So let's go ahead, and there we have it. What is the shortcut to copy selected cells? Come on now. You know what it is. Control plus. It didn't let me capitalize the C. Control C. Let's go to the next one. What is the shortcut to paste clipboard content? I'm going to say Control plus V. Enter. There we have it. And then the next thing would be you would just go publish it, right? So we publish link, and copy. Link copied right here. Control Shift N to open up incognito. And there's our artifact. We can share with folk. So here we have it. Current card 1. Total cards 51. Let's go for it. What is the shortcut to copy selected cells? Control plus C. Boom. All right. Then next. What is the scores? It's not keeping the score right. What is a shortcut to paste clipboard content? Control plus V. Boom. Correct. I have to mark it correct. What is undo the last action? Control plus Z. Enter. And then, we have to mark it correct. Look, I press correct, and now it's marking it correct. All right, so that's something else that we'd have to continue on with the iteration process. But there you have it, my friends. That is your artifacts inside of Claude. So we start a new chat, and you can always go over to the sidebar and see your artifacts. Click on artifacts, and there you have it, just like that. Another new feature that is not that new. It's new how they're displaying it and how they've added a whole new section right here on the side of Claude. So remember, my friends, keep on learning. I love you. And most of all, don't get mad. Get yourself some skills. Aloha.